there. Today we want to come on and tell you about this grilling kit. I don't have it actually right here in my hands because it's pretty large, and so I've taken some videos of it to show you. We know it's almost time for the holidays, and dads and men are sometimes hard to buy for, so we think that this grilling kit is a great idea for those dads or men in your life. And so we just want to show you some of the features and the things we like about them and answer some of the questions that you might have. So the first question people might wonder is what comes in the kit. So the first thing you'll notice is that it does have this great portable carrying case to store all of the things that come in the grill set. And it also has this spatula that is 16 by 3.5 inches. One really great thing about the spatula is that it actually completes 4 functions. You've got on the one side the meat tenderizer, then you've got a side to help you cut the meat, and then you've got the bottle opener. You can use the flat side, of course, to flip the meat like you would a normal spatula. And then you have the grill brush, and I really love that the grill brush comes with an additional head. So once you wear the one out, you have an additional head there ready for you. It also comes with a basting brush, which you can see here. It has those rubber fingers at the end. Then you have a knife that is 10 by 1.5 inches. You've got the tongs. You've got 4 skewers. You have a fork, which is 16 inches by 1.5 inches. You have these adorable little corn holders, and you get 8 of those. So there's enough for 4 people to eat corn using these. And they're, you know what these are like. You just stick them in the ends of the corn and they help you hold the corn. And then last but not least, you get this apron, which has these pockets in the front, which are great for storing your tools as you cook. Hey there, I just want to interrupt for just 1 second to remind you that we are an Amazon affiliate. So if you are interested in buying this product after watching, we'd love for you to use our affiliate link located in the description box. And all you have to do is click it. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help out our channel. Thanks so much. Back to the questions. So some people are curious what the tools are made of. So the tools in this set are made of stainless steel, according to the manufacturer. What are the grill brush bristles made of? So those brush bristles are made of metal, which will help clean your grill. Some people are curious if the set is portable. So yes, one of the great features about the aluminum case is that inside each of the 21 different things that you get has its own space with either like an elastic strap or a Velcro strap to hold it in. So that way, when you get to wherever you're going, you just open it up and everything should be where you placed it. Are these dishwasher safe? So according to the manufacturer, they are dishwasher safe. We have not tried ours in the dishwasher yet. We typically hand wash our grilling utensils, but according to the manufacturer, you can put them in the dishwasher. So we hope that answered some of the questions that you might have. Like we said, we think this would be an excellent gift, whether it's for the holidays or for Father's Day or birthday for dad or grandpa or friend that's loves to grill. And we just think that it is a great kit, and it comes with so many different things as we've shown you. So we hope we answered some of your questions and help you with your buying decisions. Happy shopping.